Hi, this is Mariea Thurlow with United Country Lifestyle Properties in Maine. Today, this lot I'm going to show you is map 5, lot 29 off Long Ridge Road in Burlington. This is a 58 plus or minus acre parcel according to the tax map. It has power right here at the road, so it will be very easy to put a place in here. As you can see, there's already a driveway that was initially here. It has grown up some, but you could easily cut that and make it usable again. This lot is full of wildlife on here. We can see deer tracks as I'm standing right here. And we're gonna take a walk up on the lot and show you what it has for trees and take a look around. Burlington is a small little quiet town of approximately 370 people. In the town of Burlington, there is a general store, a post office. We are also close to the town of Lincoln, which is the next biggest town. It has the hospital, it has doctor's offices, grocery stores, hardware stores, anything you need really. It's also the Lincoln Lakes region, has 13 lakes and many other surrounding lakes, and the Penobscot River. We are about 50 miles to the city of Bangor. That is the next biggest city. There's the airport is there, lots of shopping, a couple of hospitals, anything you need is in the city of Bangor. We are about 3 hours from the city of Portland, which is the largest city in the state of Maine, and about 4 hours, give or take, to Boston. We are about 15 miles from the Nickatawis Land Conservation and the Duck Lake Public Reserve lands. There's over 50,000 acres of lakes and ponds to do fishing, hunting, anything you want to do out there, ATV trails, snowmobile trails, so lots to do in this area. I'm now standing about 200 feet in on the lot at the top of the driveway. It still goes back a little further here. It would be really nice to put a house up here on the property. As you can see, there's some mixed wood on this lot, mixed timber, hardwood and softwood. The elevation of this lot goes from 450 to 680 feet. There are a couple of hills in the middle of the property. The soil is about 95% pasted loam. The seller states that there is a spring on this property. We can't see it today because everything's covered with snow, but he does say that there's a spring here. This property is 175 feet of road frontage on Long Ridge Road. As you come into the lot though, you come up the driveway just a few hundred feet and a lot widens out quite a bit. So it is a lot wider once you get in here. And I just wanted to show you, we were walking up the driveway following a deer trail. And as you can see on this juniper here, there's a deer that's rubbed its antlers. So if you're looking for a hunting property, this might be a good one for you. Off to my left here, there's a lot of maple, white birch, and some other mixed wood on the property. We are now about 600 feet up off the road. And as you can see here, there's this nice little plateau here that would be a nice place to build a house. Also with some clearing in here, you would have a beautiful view as well of the surrounding property. This path also still continues up behind us, and you have some nice popple and maple on this lot as well. Thank you for taking this tour on snowshoes with us today of this 58 acre parcel of land. Have you ever been on snowshoes? If so, tell us how you love it or hate it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the notifications bell so you can see all of our current listings. This 58 plus or minus acre parcel of land is priced at $71,000. It has 175 feet plus or minus on Long Ridge Road. There's power at the road here. There's beautiful spots up here on the property to build. Tons of wildlife on this property. So if you're looking for a hunting property, this might be the place for you. The taxes on this property are $383. Those are taxed with another parcel of land. So once it's divided, the taxes actually will be lower than that. If you would like more information on this property, you can give me a call at 207-403-3724.